Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 9th and the chapter we are doing is number system. So in this chapter today I'll tell you about the identities, okay? Identities that you have read in class 8th and 7th also. Here also we are having some, we have to use some identities, so I just make you revise it, okay? Identities. Here what we are studying here, real numbers. This is new term in class 9th, okay? Till class 8 you have read about rational numbers and about other whole number and teasers and all that you have read. But irrational number is a new term for you, and in 9th class only it has introduced the real numbers also. When irrational and rational number दोनों को combine करते हैं, then they are known as what? Real numbers. तो real numbers की identities के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Let a be a real number and a is greater than 0. We have to take this. Then m and n are the rational numbers. Okay, right? Now see what are our identities when we are having a to the power m into a to the power n. Then multiplication is there and bases are same. That means we have to add up the powers. Okay. Now come to the next one. अगर divide करेंगे, what we have to do? Powers को हम subtract करेंगे. Third one, see, a is written and m is inside and outside is n. Means here what is going on? Multiplication. Okay, we'll do multiplication with the powers. Now let's come to the next. Now bases are different but powers are same. So we have to multiply the bases and common power ले लेंगे बाहर. Okay, when a question is given like this कि a m upon n, power में m upon n है, that means जो नीचे रहता है ना, that is root. Okay, so it is root n root a की power m. Okay, let's come to our exercise. On these identities, exercise 1.6 is based. Okay, now see how to do it. Question number 1. It is very easy, but it is interesting too, as it is based on these identities. See, question number 1 का first part देखेंगे 64 to the power 1 by 2. How you will do this? For this you have to take out the LCM. इसको हम simplify करेंगे. Okay? So, it will go by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2. Then 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1. So, what is the LCM of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write what? 64 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 की power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 की power 6. Right? And outside is what? 1 by 2. Okay? Now, how you'll do? See, 2 की power कितनी है? 6. And into 1 by 2. Here you have to use which identity? You have to write over here. By using identity, which identity we have used? See, this one is this. A की power m n is equal to a m into n. Right? This identity you have to use, you have to write to the side by of this. So it will be 2. अब देखो आप यहाँ पे 6 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है. This will cut. 2 कितने are? 2 3s are 6. So how much is left? 2 की power how much? 3. So our answer is what? 2 to the power 3. और इसकी वैल्यू अगर निकालनी हो तो 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 2 का क्यूब is 8. So children, in this way you have to do the question. आपको देखना है कौन सी आइडेंटिटी लगेगी और वो आपको साइड में लिखना है. This is important to write. Okay, let's come to the second part. Okay children, let's come to the second part. This is 32 to the power 1/5. Now 32 का हमें LCM इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. बेस हम प्राइम फैक्टर लेके आएंगे. Okay, so हमने इसको किया, LCM निकाला. It is what? 5 times 2. So 2 to the power 5. So how you will do this? This is 2 to the power 5. अब ये बाहर लिखना है. So we have to use what? Square bracket. और अगर आपको सिंगल ब्रैकेट लिखना है तो you can write it like this also. 2 की power 5 and outside it is this. Again, by using identity a m to the power n, that is equal to a m into n, will get what, 2, 5, 1 by 5. That means ये हट जाएगा, and what you will get, multiplication, this and this will get cancelled. What is your answer? Your answer is 2. So in this way you have to do the second part. Third part is also simple. Here only what, 125 is given. So it will be like this. इसके लिए तो आपको LCM भी नहीं, ये तो just आपके माइंड में ही होगा. 125 किसका क्यूब होता है? It is cube of 5. 125. तो 125 का जब आप LCM निकालेंगे, you will get what, 5 2s are 10 and 5, 5, 5 and 5. Okay, so this is equal to what, 5 का cube. Okay, but what is our question? That is 1 by 3. So into 1 by 3, 3 cancel. What you will get? You will get 5. Okay, here again we have used the same property, this one. Okay, so first question is completed. Let's come to the second question, children. Okay, children, let's come to question number 2. See, this is 9 to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2. That means which identity? Fifth identity we have to use. That is a to the power m upon n. Right? हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे. 9 का प्राइम फैक्टर अगर निकालेंगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से, दिस विल बी 3 का स्क्वायर. राइट? 3 का स्क्वायर इनटू व्हाट, 3 अपॉन 2, यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी व्हाट, a m to the power n. ओके, हाउ यू विल डू दिस? इसकी जरूरत भी नहीं है. ओके, यू कैन डू दिस वन तो डायरेक्टली ओनली. यहाँ तो हम ये वाला यूज करके भी कर सकते हैं. दिस विल बी व्हाट, 2 कैंसिल. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 3 का क्यूब, दैट इज 27. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. इन दिस वे यू विल डू. हियर कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन. इसको आप कैसे करोगे? इन द सेम वे ओनली दैट 32 का हमने वो किया था, दैट इज 2 to the power 5. ओके, 2 to the power 5 था ना, 32 था. देन दिस इज 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Okay, 2 to the power 5 into what, 2 की power 3. This is the question, no? No, it's 5. Here it's 5. It is 5 here. Okay, so this one is cancelled. What is left? 2 का square, that is equal to what, 4. So this is also based on this only. इसी तरह से हम ये वाला कर लेंगे. Let's come to the next question. See children, third question is also same. This fourth part is little bit different, so I am doing it here for you. This is equal to what, 125 को we can write what, 5 की power 3. And outside it is what, minus 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 is cancelled. What is left? That is raised to power minus 1. तो we can write it in this way. Power minus 1 है, तो जब हम उसका reciprocal करेंगे, then it will become positive sign. Okay. So our answer is what, 1 by 5. Now let's come to the third question. See children, question number 3, that is simplify. Here you have to simplify. अब यहाँ पे देखो कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज होगी. से 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. Bases are same. Okay, bases are same and multiplication is given. So which identity will use? By using identity 1. Okay, that is what, a की power m into a की power n, that is equal to a m plus n. Means we have to add up the powers. Okay, so how you will do this? By using this, what we will do, 2, okay, 2 is the base. We'll write what, 2 upon 3 plus what, 1 upon 5. It's 2 upon 3 or 2 upon 5. It's 2 upon 3 only. Okay, so it will be 2 to the power. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, it is 3 and this is 5. That means both are uncommon. हम इसका एलसीएम निकालेंगे. व्हाट इज अवर एलसीएम? आवर एलसीएम इज 15. Okay, our LCM is what? 15. So 3 कितने are 15? 3 5s are 15. So into 5, this is what? 10 plus 5 3s are 15. So it is what? 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is 2 to the power 13 upon 15. So in this way you have to do the question. Okay children, let's come to its second part. Second part is what? 1 to the power what? 1 upon 3 to the power 3 and whole power is 7. Okay, so how you'll do this? In this question, what first we will do, इसको हम ऊपर लेके आ सकते हैं. That means if or you can do it like this. ये power 7 है. That means 1 की भी power 7 है as well as 3 की power 3. Or this is into 7. Okay, that means 7 is power of both 1 and 3. Okay, so it will be 1 only, and here what? 3, and this is what? 7 3s are 21. So either you can write it like this, या फिर हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power minus 21. Okay, so both are correct. You can write it in this way. Okay, come to the next one point. See children, here third part you can see 11 to the power 1 by 2 and 11 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, bases, 11 is the base. Bases are same, but powers are different. So, and these are dividing. That means second identity will use by using identity, which one? A to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equal to a m minus n. A m minus n. So in this way we'll use this identity and solve this question. It will be like this: 11, then 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. पावर को हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. We'll get 11. Power is 4. LCM लिया 2 and 4 का, you'll get 4. And 2 2s are 4. So into 2, this is 2 minus 4 1s are 4. This is 1. This is this. Okay, it is equal to 11. 2 minus 1 is 1 only. 1 upon 4. So what is our answer? That is 11. 1 upon 4. Okay, 11 to the power 1 upon 4. Let's come to the last one. In last one question, this is the very last part of last question. So let's watch this. 7 1 by 2. Here you can see your bases are different, but your powers are same. That means we will use which identity? Fourth one identity, that is using identity a to the power m and b to the power n. Sorry, b to the power m. This is equal to a into b to the power m. Okay, m को हमने कॉमन ले लिया and a and b को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. So it will be 7 into 8 and powers are same. So we have taken it common. So it will be 7 8s are 56. 56 to the power what? 1 by 2. So in this way we can do this. Okay. So children, मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new topic. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe, like and share my channel. जितना हो सके उसको शेयर कीजिए. अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अनुराधा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. Thank you and have a nice day.